Okay, my beloved, today we are going to be making Arayes, Tortilla Arayes, which is not Arayes, because Arayes is made with pita bread. But since I don't really have the convenience to buy pita bread, I have to use tortilla. So I do hate to make up things with food and keep the name, but until I come up with another name, I have to call it tortilla rice. I'm gonna be making two because my tiny stomach does not take more than two. Okay, here we go. We start just thinning it, spreading it thin inside the tortilla, and when it's done, then put the other one on top of it, then wipe them with olive oil. Sorry about the recording because I started recording with my right hand and now I'm using my left hand, so I am out of alignment. And the meat is I use 93 lean and 7 fat, and I use 2 pounds, which is a little bit than a kilo, or about 900 milligrams. I used 2 full medium large onions and a bunch of parsley. I used a lot of garlic, honestly. Then I started sniffing the spices and dumping whatever I think will go good. So this is, I think, very good like this. It's not very thick, but it's not really thin. So make sure it fills out the loaf. And I put some spices as I please, as I wish. I put turmeric, I put black pepper, salt, I ground garlic, ground onions, ground cardamom, and ground ginger. So, but I also put a lot of garlic. I mean, really a lot of garlic with the onions and the parsley in the food processor. And this is done for this one. And in case you don't know how to, this is how you close it with another one. And press on it. So when you press on it, it's gonna start coming out from the sides. Okay, lovely. Then I will be serving it. I'm gonna wipe olive oil here and on the other side and do it in the pan, dry pan, because it has oil. The tortilla itself, there will be oil on it, so it doesn't really need oil. Then I can serve it with yogurt and serve it with a green salad. The green salad, which is diced cucumber, tomato, onions, and parsley. With lemon juice and salt. You can sprinkle some vinegar and some olive oil, but I will show you the end of it. The second one I spread it easier, better, because I had both hands working on it, and look how it is. It's very nice. It's good thickness. This is how much oil we put. Not a lot, actually. And this is how much it spreads. It doesn't even collect in the grooves. It doesn't collect in the pockets. That's it. And you just wipe it very good, like this. Make sure you spread it evenly. This food, this dish, I can take some of here also here. Whatever excess oil will stick to my fingers, and I just bring it here because I don't really want it to soak in oil, because the juice of the meat and the juice of the onions and the parsley, the mixture is also gonna add to it. And that's the benefit of the pita bread, because the pita bread can suck the excess water. This tortilla, no, it's like sealed. It doesn't have pores like like the pita bread. So it does not really suck a lot of water, so it's not going to be crunchy from the outside and soggy, especially for those who love fat with meat that has high fat in it. So that's why pita bread is the preferred way of using for this Arayes. Okay, heads up. Now you can actually have the pan. As you see, you can put some butter if you want, or some more olive oil, but you can have it on high heat, so it will cook fast, but it will not dry the meat. But you need to be very careful because it may actually burn it if you are not careful. You have to keep turning it and flipping it on both sides to distribute the heat, so it will not be concentrated on one side and burns the loaf. Or you can have it on low heat or medium heat. Also you have to pay attention, which actually it goes slowly. The cooking process goes slowly. I will show you. I put it on high heat now, and later on I will dim it, inshallah. And make sure you keep the tabbing, because the edges gonna start rolling out. You don't want that, especially if you put them in the oven. In the oven, they're gonna start shrinking from the edges and start flipping out. It doesn't really, it's not that bad that it flips out. Here we go. We started to hear the oil frying. It did not take much time to start changing color and the meat to cook. Now I lowered it on less than medium. See, the meat color started to change. It is so crispy now. I can't, yeah, it breaks under my finger. See, the moisture and juice started coming out of the meat and started coming out of the vegetables. Here we go. You will have to flip it a few times, you know, because of the moisture. But when you started it on one side, it started to heat and to cook. When you flipped it on the other side, there's more cooking, more water coming out, more juice coming out. Look at this. Now we have more juice coming out. So that's why you have to keep flipping it multiple times. Don't think you're gonna be cooking it on one side all the way, then on the other side the rest of the way. No, you have to keep flipping 3-4 times. Here we go. This is the juice starts coming out. You need to be careful so it does not stick, because this juice, when it comes out and it dries, it may cause it to stick. You need to keep moving it. And as you start, you cook, you need to be doing this to it also, so you do not allow a lot of meat shrinkage. Look at the meat. The meat went inside. It did shrink, so you don't want it to shrink a lot. By doing this gentle pressing, you minimize the shrinking. It's getting dry. It's getting toasty. The best Arayes is to make it on the charcoal, on the grill. We drop the second one after we finish the first one. This frying pan is gonna go to a mechanic shop to clean it. When you're done, put water on it. See? while it's hot. Somewhat. Don't put degreaser. It does not need degreaser because everything is burned. Or put a sponge or a scrubber and do it. So anyways, I'll finish it later inshallah. But I'm showing you. So it's quickly, it's so easy. It comes so easy. Look. Just some water. We'll take everything off. We'll peel it off. Look at this. Okay. Now this is how the final product looks like. See the difference in color. It's because that one started off before the burning and the pan. This is later on, so that's fine. If you, it's gonna taste probably this. Actually, this is the same, inshallah. Here's how it looks like after just scrubbing it with paper towel and the water I put while it was hot. That's it. I did not use soap or sponge yet or a scrubber, but temporarily this is how I cleaned it because I am in the street, so I don't really have the convenience to wash everything right away. We'll have a cup of this strawberry kiwi with it. I don't have Iran. Iran is the best thing. I'm out of Iran, finished. It does not last, and I don't have enough room to have a lot of Irans with me. And instead of Iran, we use whole milk, plain organic yogurt. It's so good. It's very, very tasty. It's very excellent. It's very healthy. So I get my yogurt and just put and take a bite. And that was Faisal from Faisal Geography. I hope you liked it. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Faisal out.